Hello friends, today I'm going to discuss a shortcut technique for a very important and common question that you will find in CAT. Now this is the question where the question says that there are two trains which are moving towards each other and there's a bird which is flying between these two trains till the trains collide. Now we'll have to find the total distance traveled by the bird, which is very simple, but the next two parts are not that easy. So I'll be telling you a shortcut for that. Now this is the figure that we'll be following. Now first of all, I'll find out the time taken by the trains to meet. So distance between the trains is 1000 kilometers, right? So I can say that time after which these two trains will meet will be distance between these two trains divided by the relative speeds. Okay, so relative speed of these two trains is 100 and the time after which the trains will meet will be 10 hours. All right. Now this is the time that will be given to the bird to fly between the trains. So total distance traveled by the bird will be equal to the speed of the bird multiplied by the time of travel, and that is 1500 kilometers. Okay. Now this 1500 kilometers is the answer for part A, which is the total distance traveled by the bird. Now you'll have to divide this total distance in the direction of train A. Okay, that means towards right hand side in the direction of train A. So train A is moving in the right hand side direction. All right, and in the direction of train B. All right, so this is what we have to find out. All right, now we'll first of all find out the point at which these two trains will meet. So let me call this point as point C. All right, so let's say trains are meeting at point C. Since the ratio of the speeds of trains is 3:2, so point C will lie at a distance of 600 kilometers from A and 400 kilometers from B. I have divided 1000 kilometers in the ratio 3:2. Okay, now since bird starts from point A and finally it stopped at point C, so towards right hand side, first of all it has to travel a distance of 600 kilometers. Okay, so 600 kilometers will be given to this direction. Okay, now bird has reached point C and it has to travel a remaining distance of 900 kilometers. All right, and it has to finally come back to point C. So the distance that it will travel away from point C will be equal to the distance that it will travel towards point C. So the remaining 900 kilometers now can be equally divided in two parts. So 450 and 450 given to each direction. So the first case, towards right hand side, the bird will travel a total of 1050 kilometers, and towards left hand side the bird will travel a total of 450 kilometers. Thank you very much.